The volume of any prism is calculated by the base area times by the height. So if we look at a rectangular prism, the base area is this bit, which is found by the length times by the width, and then multiply by the height. That is how we get to the formula of the volume of a rectangular prism is equal to length, so usually just L, times by the width, or W, times by the height. Important point to remember with volume is that because there are 3 dimensions, that is always cubic units. So it might be measured in meters cubed, centimeters cubed, kilometers cubed, millimeters cubed, etc. Really important to always have your units listed in your answer. Let's take a look at the first rectangular prism. So the formula for the volume of a rectangular prism is equal to the length times the width times by the height. So that is going to be equal to the length of 8 centimeters times by the width of 2 times by the height of 5. That is therefore going to be equal to 18 times 2 is 16 times 5. And then if we do 16 times 5, that is going to be equal to 80. And the units are always cubic units because there are 3 dimensions. So 80 centimeters cubed. So the same formula applies to find the volume of the second rectangular prism. Volume is equal to length times width times height. You can see in this case the length is 3, the width is 3, and the height is 15 meters. 3 times 3 is 9 times 15. And then I could, 9 times 10 is 90, 9 times 5 is 45. So 135, and it's cubic meters because we have the 3 dimensions. So that's why it is meters cubed. Remember to always find the right units. Press or click on the screen now for questions involving the volume of rectangular prisms.